Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Catching Up on the Couch. I'm your host, Christine Matelan, and once again, I am joined by the lovely and talented Dr. Angela Stupi.
Thank you, Christine.
So today we're going to be quick, and it's more of a save the date type of thing, something near and dear to Dr. Stupi's heart called Wellness Open House.
Every spring we have a wellness open house. This is our
Year 7.
Year 7. My, oh my, that goes quickly. And we try to feature unique things for our patients, and we want our patients to bring their friends. And what we featured last year was a lupus nurse educator traveled here from quite a distance. We had a patient's perspective on fibromyalgia. We had bioidentical hormones and the analysis of your hormonal assay, which is available through this office. We talked about low-dose naltrexone. We talked about the new blood testing that we're doing in the office, the blood tests that actually help us focus more distinctly on your diagnosis. And there even are blood tests now that identify whether you will respond to a set of therapy for rheumatoid arthritis or have a low likelihood of responding. And so I think that's very important. And this year, we're hoping to repeat most of all of that. I think it's worth hearing again. And we're going to do Healthy Living with Rosemary Ultimus, who is our dietitian, nutritionist, who has a lot of unique things to tell you about diet, and our liver detoxification program, which has been very successful. And
she's very, very well versed in diet with
anti-inflammatory diet. And we're going to even have a cooking demonstration by her on anti-inflammatory cooking. And last year we distributed our collection of recipes that she has done for us. And if you watch the YouTube, she's on YouTube doing many of the cooking classes that we offer here in the office. And so I think you'll find that very useful too.
So in addition to that, one of Dr. Stupi's go-tos is the Kylo patch for pain relief.
Yes.
And
which I personally use myself.
The extract touch technique by Magdalene.
Lymphatic massage by Magdalene, yes.
The Theralogic nutritional supplements, essential oils, the Alpha Stim therapy.
Yes.
We have a new collection of braces. And also skincare and Botox. So the dates are May 23rd and May 25th here in the office.
That's the Tuesday and Thursday of that week. And we want you to bring a friend. We have a lot for you. Tell them about it.
We have vendors that come in that have patient information. They also have giveaways. We have refreshments. It goes from 2 to 6 p.m., both dates. And if you're here for an appointment that day, just go and trot around Cranberry and come back for the afternoon. The office is full, but we put vendors in the waiting room as well as in the infusion center. And this year I have some raffles and giveaways to talk about. So one of those giveaways, in addition to the 2 gift cards that we did in previous years, and we are updating the cookbooks this year, we're going to be raffling off a Kylo patch.
Ooh, wow. That's a great giveaway.
10 units of Botox.
Ooh. 8 giving expensive giveaways.
8 Beamer sessions.
Wow.
And a free nutritional consult with Rosemary.
Excellent, excellent.
So
now here is an opportunity too. We have a lot of the pharmaceutical reps who are sponsoring their products, and they are available to talk to you face to face about the medications, any concerns or need for more information. And then some of the vendors, are we having the CPAP people come? Do you know?
They are still not committed yet.
Okay. Because, there have been great advancements in the CPAP apparatus that makes it much easier to wear and sleep with at night now. I'd love for you to see that.
So we're also trying to obtain someone from Creaky Joints to be here, but they don't usually have a local chapter. That's what the problem is there. But one of the things I wanted to ask you, Dr. Stupi, is you always do 2 tutorials, one on Tuesday, one on Thursday. Will you be talking about osteoporosis?
I always like to talk about osteoporosis, but I really do think that and calcium and vitamin D are very important aspects that I'd like to touch on.
Okay. All right, so again, those dates are May 23rd and May 25th. That is the Tuesday and Thursday before Memorial Day, from 2 to 6 p.m. here in the office. If you would like, you can call an RSVP, but there's no need.
Now, if there's a special topic you would like us to talk about, email us, and if there's a good demand for that topic, we will cover it for you.
Okay. And our email is info@ararc.net. So once again, May 23rd and 25th, 2 to 6 p.m. here in the office. Bring a friend, bring your family, bring your appetite, and bring an open mind, because we cover a lot of information in those 2 days. And hopefully it'll be nice outside and not rainy like it is today.
Yes, I'll say.
So in closing, anything else, Dr. Stupi?
No, I'm just excited to see all of you and bring new faces as well.
Okay. Again, thank you for watching. Enjoy us on Facebook as well as on YouTube. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be notified of new videos. And as always, from Advanced Rheumatology, stay safe and stay healthy.
Bye.